Just a quick demo of the interactive touchscreen. Obviously you can just use it with your finger or with the supplied pens. If you're wanting to export that to a phone, you're just clicking down here and you're doing QR. It comes up to confirm, and then you just get your phone. As long as you're on the same wireless network as the touchscreen, just go to camera, and that instantly goes to your phone. Again, you need to be, the phone and the touchscreen need to be on the same wireless network for that to work. So as you can see, that's how that operates. And then if you want to use your computer, you're just coming back to the main menu. You're selecting input, and depending on which HDMI, this is the front one, and there's more at the back obviously. So you just select the HDMI you plugged into, and that's your computer there. And then you can just use that as a regular touchscreen, either with the whiteboarding software that you've installed on your computer, or controlling the computer itself. So that's obviously on pen touch. I'm gonna go back to using the mouse, do that. And pretty much as simple as that. So just use it just like a big iPad, and then if you want to write over your screen, you can do whatever pen tools you want there, multiple points of touch, etc. And of course you can save that through the software as well. AV King, thank you.